Yes, hello.
Hello,
Yes, good morning.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Really all right.
Yes. So what what are you doing right now before calling?
Before calling, I was doing another conversation.
Okay. So how many do you session in a day?
I do 3 or 4 sessions. So it's the first meeting. Would you like to
Three.
introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? As you know, my name is Dharambir Kumar Singh, and born and brought of Bihar Gopalganj district, and I'm a engineer, safety engineer, and right now I'm connecting from Haryana, Gurugram. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my graduation at diploma also, and yeah, and I, if you talk about my like a hobby, so I like to swimming and playing cricket. That's all about me. Please
Okay, so
do yourself.
my name is Aarna Shukla. I'm 9 years old. I study in class 4. I study in a public school. I live. I'm talking to you from the district of Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel called The Aarnas for upload conversational English videos. This is all about me.
Okay. So you run YouTube channel, me? Yeah, I'm right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
So what which type video you are making and put on your YouTube channel?
I upload conversational English videos.
Okay, like solo video, conversation
Can,
video. Okay. Yeah,
yeah.
okay, okay. Okay, I got it. So may I know you are like a very good you become like a good speaker, and you are doing like a great job, and you did like fluent, I think. And so what do you have any goal and any dream to become any like perfect your personality?
Well, my goal was to become an IS officer.
Okay. And what is your short term goal?
My source and goal is to become a better person in life.
Okay, that's great. I'm, I'm really impressive with you because you in a 9 years old and you become like
Just wait a minute.
okay. I think
Okay.
someone calling you.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I saw your message on the group. So, two and three person they replied you. I'm free for conversation. That's why they calling you.
You're
Yeah.
right.
Yes. So, do you have like any topic to discuss? Yeah, we can random discuss.
Let's just random discuss.
Random discuss. Okay. So,
Hello?
how is weather from your side?
The weather is kind of cold.
Like freezy.
Yes,
If you
and
talk about okay, if you talk about my area, so it's like very freezy and windy day. It is like very and some rain possible too in today, and like is that Delhi? You heard? I think you must have heard about Delhi, like weathers. Is the too much cold we are facing right now? Yes. So right now I'm in a office, and so there is a like a good weather. Yes. So do you like winter season?
Um, yeah, yes, I do like the winter season.
Okay. Do you enjoy with the winter season?
Yes. So,
Okay.
okay, tell me about your job.
Yeah. Actually, my job is as you know, my job is I'm a safety engineer. My job is like we have to like create good environment in our office with our employees, and second one, we have to protect workers and employees during working, because if you are going to do job in a construction field, so there are so many hazards surrounding your area. Okay, so we have to absorb that hazards, and we are preparing for how we can control that hazard, and we protect them man and materials and machinery also. And we have to teach them how we can recognize the hazards whenever you are doing like height work and other work. So there are so many hazards, so you can recognize, you can notice it yourself. No need to do for only safety person. Safety is safety is the all of responsibility to save yourself. Okay, so this is our job, and we have to whenever any accident happen, so we have to uh, provide compensation from company, because there are so many policy in a company. So whenever any got injured and anyone got dead, so we have to provide financial support to his family. So this is our and other hand, we ensure like legal document to protect our company and our employees also. Yeah, this is all about my job.
Okay, so tell me what is your strength and weakness?
uh which type can you repeat that?
Can you please tell me what is your strength and weakness?
My weakness, a strength. My strength is like I'm very quick person, and I can learn easily to whenever I listen. I heard anything, so I can learn easily, and I can do I can manage any emergency situation. And my weakness is mm, uh, like uh, uh, whenever I got some lot of work, so I got mm, I got what should I do, what should I do first, and what should I don't. So whenever I got so much work, so I got confused. Yes. And what about you?
Okay, so
I
in which
want to ask one question. What is your weakness and strength?
well, my your strength is that I can to learn things in 15 minutes, and to my weakness is I'm a little less confident.
Okay. So your channel has monetized or not?
Yes, it is. I have monetized, I can say.
Okay. So you are learning from YouTube, earning from YouTube, no?
Mm, yes, I'm.
You can say.
Yes, I can say I'm learning from YouTube.
Oh, that's great. You are doing so much work. Yes.
Can can in which field does your company work?
Yeah, I feel like very excitement and I feel I'm very lucky to doing in my company work because my company is a MNC company. Is name of Godrej Nature Plus, Godrej Property Limited. So they provide so many facilities for employees, and they provide like a good environment, and they provide like good facility to do office work also, and they like and we get holidays, good holidays in a month. So and we can like visit somewhere for during duty time, like whenever we get holiday, so we are going to visit for outside. So this is the very good for me. I feel like very I'm feel proudy.
Okay, so what the special things are are there in the Gurugram?
Yeah, a special things is like Gurugram. There is a like industry hub, we can say. There is a lot of opportunities to do and to get easily. Like there is IT job also. There is a like worker job also, and so many type of industry here. So you can get easily job in a Gurugram, and if you want to, if you are willingly to do any courses, so also you will get like a good institute in a nearby. So you can do like both of things in a same time. So I think it is a very good for us. And other is I think is the environment is Gurgaon environment is very good to learning anything. Okay, and their person is very very serious about health. They're like eat healthy foods, and they adopt good culture, and they he is very serious about culture also.
Okay, so are there any things you want to change in Bihar?
Bihar is, if you talk about Bihar, so uh, there are so many things to have changed, but it is a very long discussion and very long things to discuss to. But I want to change one thing, like mostly education and like examination time, because whenever we get any exam and whenever we get like any job, so there are so many corruption and so many like gather there. Okay, so I want to change these things, like a job, whenever any get a job, a government job, and like exam also. So there is a like too much corruption. So I want to change this process, examination and job process.
Okay, so what's the strength you see in Bihar people?
Strength. Strength Bihar people is like they are very doing hard work, and they have very patience, and yeah, and they are like very honest with your his family, their family. So we can say they are like so much responsibility about his family. They are very kind, and they are very kindness person to to anyone, we can say.
I agree about that. Do you have any questions? I'm asking a lot.
Yes, actually, uh, I think um, I'm very inspired from you because you are in a 9 years old and you are doing like a great job. I'm very inspiring with you, really. And uh, you, you, so what? How can you manage with your study and with your you are doing you are putting like uh, video on YouTube. So how do you manage such things in same days? So can you explain me in a deeply?
Well, it's so easy to manage my time right now because so usually I make videos on Sundays because usually I'm free that time, and most of the days I study. And
Okay.
the uploading part, my father does the uploading part and also the editing part.
Okay, that's great. And I'm very impressed with your parents. They are they support you and they very believe on you. That's why they are supporting lot of, because nowadays environment very doing wrong. A small child, they are like dancing on the rough videos, and they are making rough video, and they are doing very we do not accept these things, but you expect you are uh, uh, do not focus on that thing, that you are doing like a great job. You are doing a study, and you are making video, and you are trying to earn money in 9-10 years old.
Thank you for your
That
kind word.
okay, thank you. I wish you to connect with you again, because it was nice conversation.
I also enjoyed this conversation with you. You're a really nice person I could really talk to.
Oh, thank you for appreciating me. And please send your YouTube link. I will gonna subscribe your channel, and I will watch your videos.
Okay, definitely I'll send my YouTube link.
Yeah, I hope I can get like good knowledge about your videos from videos. Yes.
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
thanks again for
Okay,
your precious time. Bye.
bye.